Here's what could happen if you have a bad breakdown and you have poor credit. Oh my gosh, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. My car just broke down. It shuddered, it shook, and then it stopped. I'm sitting on the side of the road. It's not starting, it's not turning over. I'm gonna need a tow truck. This is gonna be expensive. Don't know how I'm gonna pay for that. I don't have a credit card. Who am I gonna call? Here's how that oops can be when you have Rockstar credit. So I was just driving along and all of a sudden the car shook, it shuddered, and it stopped. Yes, there's gas in it. Yes, I just had an oil change. It's okay. I have already got a tow truck on the way. I've got it covered. Yeah, I fixed my credit a while ago. We set up for the emergency plan, emergency reserves, everything is all covered. Cars kind of always have their oops, right? And it seems like it's always at the worst possible moment. So let's make sure that you have Rockstar credit. So when the oops does happen, you're not caught off guard and you have more options to be able to take care of it, which means you're stress-free. For those of you who don't already know me, now you do. My name's Lauren, aka The Solutionist. I help people to restore and to remaster their credit profiles so they can make the big purchases and the oopses their families and their cars need to grow. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to all of our videos. You won't want to miss out on the information that we have forthcoming on restoring your credit and creating new streams of income, but also paying for the oopses. Until next time.